Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to transfer money to bank account from Revolut. So this is very easy and you have to first of all download the Revolut mobile application here, and once you open it up, right, you will get this option. The interface will look like this. Now here in the bottom middle you will find this here, the transfer option. So you have to just tap on it. Once you tap on it, it will show you here something like this. So there are various way to transfer your money or send to different account, right? You can just do through bank receipt, card recipient, crypto wallet, and there's a lot of things. So the thing which we are looking for, that is bank receipt. And here in the bank recipient, you have to just tap on it, and after that you will get this option. You have to fill up this information. For example, if you're sending to the individual, then you have to just enter the country, currency, and IBN number, and just fill up this information, then it's done. So this is how you can just transfer the money. And by the way, make sure that your account is, or your bank account is linked to Revolut, then only you will able to transfer your money. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.